Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to turn the background noise on or off on this device. Simply go to settings. Now scroll down, tap on the option accessibility. Then again scroll down. Here you can see the option audio and visual. Tap on this one. Then here you can see the option background sounds. Tap on this one. Now the background sound is disabled. If you want to enable this one, turn on this option. Now you can see the sound is rain and you can increase the volume like this way, and you can change the sound also. If you tap on this one, here you can see some sounds. The night mode I am going to select night. If you go back, now I am going to increase the volume. You can hear the volume, right? So simply in this way we can enable the background sound. This is the fire sound, right? So if you want to disable this one, just turn off the option background sound. So simply in this way we can turn the background noise on or off in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.